This is a tea vending machine. It works on button operation as well as 5 rupees coin operation, and there are 3 types of glasses which are normally used and the cups which are normally used. Let us see it first. This is the urn in which the tea can be stored. This is a special valve. Through this tube it goes to the inlet of the machine, and as we see there is a nozzle at the bottom. So the tea comes out from this nozzle. This is a 5 rupee coin. This is a new coin. Now let's see. Put the cup first. Let us see for this small glass it is. Put up and insert the coin. The coin is inserted. We can see that the machine gives 1 cup. Let us see it again. This is another type of coin. Keep the glass over there and insert it. The machine immediately starts and gives about whatever green lamp which is glowing is the indication that the machine is ready for dispensing. Now let us see with the 1 rupee coin what happens. This is a 1 rupee coin, new one. Insert inside. It doesn't go. Now say 2 rupees coin. It also doesn't go inside. Let us see with the 1 rupee small coin. This is a new coin now. Yes, let us see what happens with that. The coin comes out here. We take out the coins. There is a lock provided. Open it with the key. We can see that all the coins will get gathered over here. So these coins can be taken out and then we can lock it for the fresh operation. Just lock it and take out the key. The tea is being dispensed. Now let us see the next one. Pick up the glass, keep it underneath. It is so fast. It is very fast as per the manpower can do it. Now let us see the machine with the increased quantity and in the cup. The quantity can be set as required. Now let us see it in the cup operation. Again the same thing. This we are showing with the push button operation. Take out the cup. Let us see the next one. You can see the machine gets ready very fast. Let us keep all the 4 cups nearby. You can see the quantity is very accurate. The variation will be only plus minus 2 ml. Keep the cup in underneath and just insert the top. It immediately starts giving the tea. The same machine can be used for other liquids also, like coffee, like cold drinks. We have here typical thermocol glasses which are used in railway. Now let us see the operation with those glasses with the button operation. Now press the button and the tea is dispensed. Take out the new glass. Keep it underneath. Press the button. Now let us see this thermocol glass with the coin operation, 5 rupees. Insert the coin. It is the same thing. Whatever you put inside, under the nozzle, there is no problem. And the quantity can be adjusted right from 60 ml to 120 ml.